I'm making this video also to demonstrate how to calculate 3-week or 4-week or more of that type moving average. I'm using the gasoline time series example that is shown in the textbook. So for example, for a 3-week moving average, you need to start with the fourth line because you are using the first three to predict the fourth. So you type average, the first three numbers, which is B3, which are B3 through B5. Okay, and then the following should be the next three, B4 through B6. And actually you can just copy this and it gives you the following predicted values: B5 through B7, B6 through B8, etc., until we get the last one, which is B11 through B13. Now in case you want to predict the next one, you just copy this to the next cell, and that will be your 13 here. But well, it shows 19 here again, but that is just coincidence. But that's how you can just predict the next one. And of course you can this one is the average of this three here, and you cannot predict the following because you will need a third number here. But like if you want to predict this one, you will need a third number here, but you don't have it, so that'll be it. Now to calculate the MSE, let me delete the forecasted value for the 13. To calculate MSE, you just need the error square, which is the difference between the actual value and the predicted value square. Now then after that, you just copy that cell to the next cells, and there's your error squares. Now what's the MSE? Mean squared error. That's just the average of those numbers. It's the average between D6 and D14. Now if you need a 4-week moving average, well then you need to use these first four numbers to predict the fifth. So you'll have to start one more down, one space down, and the first predicted value should be the average of B3 through B6. And then you just copy to the rest of the cells. We don't need this error square. So the error squares will be updated automatically, and then you have your MSE here. Now remember though, if you are calculating one method and then another method, you need to have different sheets, and you know, you use sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and then you change their names according to the method you're using, so you can see, so you can demonstrate that you have results for each method. And if you have questions like A, B, C, D, E, one good thing you should do is to insert a text box, and in your text box you insert here in your box your answers. You type A is this, B the answer is this, C the answer is this, etc. Alright, so that is the end of my demonstration for now.